All right, YouTube. The day has finally come. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm not really enjoying the BMW S1000 as I thought I would. A lot of things, a lot of pros, a lot of cons with this bike. Pros is a lot of fun to ride. You know, it's cool to ride, get the attention that you may like in riding this bike. But for me, there isn't many aftermarket parts for a bike like this. So I'm thinking of trading it in. I know I had it for quite some time. And as you guys can see, I don't have much content on my channel for this bike other than the modifications, the engine covers, the rear set, the front levers, the mirrors, the passenger cowl. There isn't much to do to a bike that's already great, in my opinion. So, yeah, this is the last time you're gonna probably see this bike on the channel. Thinking of getting rid of it, trading it in. This is not the last time you'll see a bike on the channel, but it's the last time you'll see this bike on the channel. I don't know what I want next, but I want something that I can modify, I can have fun with. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do have fun with this bike, but after a while, being on it, that seat is horrendous. This is the medium M seat. It is the hardest seat I've had on all the bikes I've owned. I don't like it. I can't ride this bike for too long. I have to get off. The vibrations are insane. Going through the handlebars is not one of my favorites. I think I want to go with clip-ons. I don't know if the RR has vibration in the handlebars, but I know for sure this one does. If you're okay with the vibrations and stuff, then this is a bike for you, but it's not really my thing. So in this video, I'm gonna put this bike back to stock as much as I can. So I did keep all the OEM parts. So this is the rear set. Here is the tail tidy. You got your mirrors, you got your seat cowl, you got your passenger pegs. So I'm gonna put this stuff back on the bike, and then the clutch and brake levers. I'm gonna put it back to stock as much as I can, and then I'm gonna take it in to turn it in. Yeah, see what they give me for it, and I get a good price, then we'll have a new bike to work with. So yeah, so this is what it looks like now. And then when I go to the dealership, I'll walk you guys through what we go through. We're gonna start with the mirrors back to stock. So this is what it looked like now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, and I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, got the mirrors installed. Now we're gonna work on the passenger pegs, which I'm gonna install next. And keep. All right, got the passenger pegs back on the bike. One on this side, and the other one on this side. Let's keep going. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the stock Ridge Racing plate holder in place, and then our rear fairing, and then we're gonna go to something else. That's right. Bike is going to be sold. Looks clean for what it is. I want 18, 19 for it. Let's see what they give me. If they give me what I want, I'll upgrade. If not, stay with it, take it back home. This is the M package, man. I want more, but I'm aiming for 18. All right, see you guys on the upside on the new bike. Stay tuned.